Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Node.js tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will see how we can download and install Node.js on our Windows operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Node.js download. And the first link which will appear here will be nodejs.org, which is the official link. So you can just click this link here. Okay, and in here you will be able to see different kind of installations, but on the Node.js homepage, so when you click this icon here, you will see the two versions for Windows. One is the LTS version, which is a long term service version, right? And one is the current version. So we are interested in current version, so I'm going to install this one. But if you want to install this long term version, which will be available for a long time, then you can just install this one. So I'm going to click this option, and the file will be downloaded, which is about 12 megabytes. So I'm going to save it, and let's save it somewhere. Okay, so once this file is saved, we are going to just install it. So just click your MSI file. So the extension of this file will be .msi. So just click this and then start installing the Node.js. Right now, Node.js installation on Windows is really easy, and you cannot get an easy installation than this installation. So first of all, this kind of wizard will start. You just need to click next here and accept terms, license and conditions, and then click next. This is the location where Node.js will be installed. So if you don't have any good reason to change it, just leave it as default and then click next. Now in here, these are the things that will be installed in with the Node.js. So the Node.js runtime, NPM package manager, which is really important for developing Node.js applications, online documentations, and the path. So this Node.js path will be installed or configured on your Windows operating system, so you can start Node.js using your command line. Okay, so just click next here, and once you click next, you just need to click this install button to start the installation. Now the installation may take few seconds to few minutes depending upon the configuration of your Windows operating system. So just wait for this process to complete, and once the installation will complete, we will go to the next step. Okay, so now the installation of Node.js is successfully completed on my Windows operating system, and I just need to click this finish button. Now to know whether Node.js is successfully installed on your system or not, you need to open your command prompt. So just search for command prompt and open your command prompt, and in here you just need to type node -v, which is going to give you the version of Node.js installed, right? So just press enter and it will give you the version of Node.js which you have installed. So it's giving v 6.5.0. This is the same version you can see here when we have downloaded it from the Node.js website, v 6.5.0, right? So we know that Node.js is successfully installed on our system. Now we have also installed NPM, which is Node Package Manager, which with this Node.js installer. And Node Package Manager is really important in developing Node applications, and I will illustrate what NPM is and how it works in details in the later videos. But in this video we will just check whether it's successfully installed or not. So just write NPM for Node Package Manager -v for knowing the version of it, right? So NPM -v, and hopefully it will also give you the version of NPM installed. Okay, So now we know that node is installed successfully on our system, and npm is also installed on our system. So now we can start building our for example hello world application. So just to check, you just need to write node in order to start working with node. So just write node and press enter, which will give you this kind of command line interface. And in here you can just write for example console.log, and in the brackets, so in the brackets you just need to write for example hello node. So just write hello node. Okay, and now you can press enter and it's going to print out hello node, and then this undefined message, and then you know that node is perfectly working on your system. Now let's check this node in a little bit better way. So what we want to do now is I'm going to just close this command prompt, and I will once again go to the Node.js website, and now this time I'm going to go here which says about tab. So just click about tab here, and in here you will see the basic bare bone code to get started with node, which is this code. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to a folder. Just go and create any folder in which you want to create your node.js project, for example. And then here I'm going to create a JavaScript file. So I'm going to create a JavaScript file, and I'm going to name it as app.js, for example. So just write app.js and press enter. We are going to see how we can build our Node.js application using some editor better than for example normal editor on Windows or Linux. So this we will see in the later videos, but for now let's use for example I have notepad++ for JavaScript. So I will open this app.js file in notepad++, but you can use any editor of your choice for now, right? And then I'm going to once again go to this page, and I will just copy all the code from here. Just copy all the code, and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and then just save this code. Okay, so just copy and paste this code and save this code, and then I'm going to minimize everything once again. So my code is saved, and now I want to open the command prompt in this folder. And the easiest way to do is you can do cd to this path, and it will be okay. But the easiest way is to just press your shift button. So just press shift button and then right click on this folder, and then you will see this option which says open command window here. So just click this option, and you can see we are directly in this directory in the command line. So we are in the samples directory, which is here itself, right? Now in here what we can do is we just need to give this command. So just give node command and then the file name. So file name is app.js in our case. So this file we have created right now, right? So just write app.js here and press enter. Okay, now if you will notice here, it's giving this message that we can open 127.0.0.1, which is the local host on our PC, colon this port. So on port 3000 of the local host we can see this server running. So I'm going to open my browser once again, and in here I will just give the same address which was printed here. So 127.0.0.1 and then port 3000, right, which is the same address which is printed here, this address. Okay, and then press enter, and you can see hello world is printed here. So you know that your Node.js server is working perfectly fine on your Windows operating system, and you know that you have installed Node.js perfectly on your Windows operating system. So in this way you can download and install Node.js on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.